ENIAC, the first computer. It was as big as a room and comes with a memory less than a microwave. But things have changed now. This is Raspberry Pi, one of the cheapest and smallest computer out there. Hi there, this is Kevin Morales and welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to see things you need to know about Raspberry Pi. Raspberry from fruit name and Pi from Python language together makes Raspberry Pi, the popular credit size computer which is not only famous for its size and price but also works really well. What is Raspberry Pi? It is designed to teach young people to program and is capable of doing all kinds of wonderful things. Back in the 80s, kids had to learn how to code computers to use them, and as a result, these kids grew up with an inbuilt understanding of how computers work. Now, we need more programmers than ever before, so to deal with this problem, some clever people came up with the Raspberry Pi to reignite the spark. It runs the Linux, a freak operating system from an SD card just like the one in your digital camera, and it's powered by a USB phone charger. You just plug in a mouse and a keyboard, connect it to a TV or monitor, and you're ready to go. You know, all over the world, people are experimenting with Raspberry Pi, where people of all ages are learning what can be done with the Raspberry Pi. Since the first Raspberry Pi was shipped with seen examples of people using the Pi in a variety of amazing and interesting projects, taking advantage of its size, portability, cost, programmability, and compatibility. You know, a little single-board computer, the Raspberry Pi, it is a tiny credit card device with so many uses. Really. Few years back, Broadcom, a company that manufactures smartphones chipsets, joined hands with University of Cambridge in UK. Together, the co-founder and Raspberry Pi Foundation dedicated for education research, and after a few years, this Raspberry Pi was born, though initially it was designed for kids to learn programming and for third world countries came have access to cheap yet functional computer. Later, when the Greeks found about Raspberry Pi, they started doing all sorts of cool projects with it, and the rest is history. These are the components of Raspberry Pi. First, the 40-pin GPIO header. Second, Wi-Fi antenna. Third, this is iDisplay connector. Fourth, micro SD card slot. 5 volts micro USB. 6, broadcom CPU. 7, HDMI port. 8, CSI camera connector. 9, 4 full 3.5mm audio and composite video. 10, Internet port. 11, USB ports. And 12, the power over Internet. Many people now are creating a project using a Raspberry Pi. 1. Hexapod robot. 2. Pi clock and weather display. 3. Plotter. 4. Pocket PC. 5. Pi drone. 6. Mousetrap. 7. Smart security camera. 8. Dynamic bike headlight. 9. VR robot tank. 10. Smart mirror. Raspberry Pi have different versions, and these are the comparison. The first version is Raspberry Pi B. It was released on February 15, 2012. The RAM is 512 MB with 700 MHz. The price is $35. Second is Raspberry Pi A+. It was released on November 10, 2014. The RAM is 256 MB with 700 MHz. The price is $35. The third version is Raspberry Pi 2, released on February 1, 2015. The RAM is 100 GB with 900 MHz. The price is $35. The fourth version was Raspberry Pi Zero. It was released on November 30, 2015. The RAM is 512 with 1 GHz. The price is $5. The fifth version is Raspberry Pi 3. It was released on February 29, 2016. They have RAM was 1 GB DDR2 with 1.2 GHz. The price is $35. The sixth version is of Raspberry Pi W. Released on January 12, 2018. The RAM is 512 MB with 1 GHz. Price is $10. The seventh version is Raspberry Pi 3 V Plus. Released on March 14, 2018. RAM is 1 GB with 1.4 GHz. The price is $35. Okay, let's talk about the new version of Raspberry Pi 4. It is completely upgraded, re-engineered faster, more powerful. These are the components of Raspberry 4. You can choice of RAM was 1 GB, 2 GB, and 4 GB. New more powerful processor and USB-E power supply, micro HDMI ports supporting 2x 4K display, gigabyte internet, USB 2, USB 3. It has hub silent, energy efficient. They also fast data transfer with USB 3.0, onboard wireless, network connectivity, and Bluetooth 5.0. Supports to 4K HDMI display. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, just like it. Have a nice day.